Welcome. In this video, we will explore the key differences between Bootstrap 5 and Bootstrap 4 and what these changes mean when you are using Bootstrap in ASP.NET Web Forms projects. Bootstrap 5 offers better performance, modern CSS features, improved responsiveness, and drops jQuery dependency, making your web forms projects lighter and more feature-proof. One of the biggest changes is Bootstrap 5's removal of jQuery. Bootstrap's JavaScript components now use vanilla JavaScript, reducing page size and avoiding jQuery conflicts common in web forms apps. Bootstrap 5 adds a new XXL breakpoint for extra large screens and enhances grid utilities, giving you finer control over responsive layouts. Great for building web forms pages that adapt well to all devices. Bootstrap 5 introduces new utility classes like gap and gutters, plus built-in support for right to left languages, making it easier to style web forms controls flexibly. Forms have been redesigned in Bootstrap 5 with a cleaner markup, no more dot form group needed, and support for floating labels. This simplifies styling ASP.NET Web Forms controls like text boxes and checkboxes. Bootstrap 5 no longer supports Internet Explorer 10 and 11, allowing it to use modern CSS features like Fluxbox more extensively. For legacy browser support, Bootstrap 4 may still be better. In Bootstrap 5, data attributes for JavaScript plugins have changed from data toggle to data BS toggle, among others. This means you will need to update your markup and scripts when migrating from V4. Bootstrap 4 shipped with the glyph icons, but Bootstrap 5 removes them entirely. You can use the new official Bootstrap icons library or third-party options like a Fondosm for your web forms projects. To summarize, Bootstrap 5 removes jQuery, adds a new breakpoint, drops IE support, changes data attribute names, removes built-in icons, and simplifies forms markup. These updates modernize Bootstrap for better web forms integration. Upgrade to Bootstrap 5 if you want modern JavaScript without jQuery, improved responsiveness, and cleaner markup. But if your app needs to support older IE browsers, Bootstrap 4 remains the safer choice. When migrating, update data attributes to the new database format, remove jQuery scripts, adjust CSS classes for forms and grids, test all JS components, and review any custom CSS for compatibility with Bootstrap 5. Check out the official Bootstrap migration guide and documentation links below for detailed help when moving from Bootstrap 4 to 5. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment your Bootstrap questions and subscribe for more ASP.NET and Bootstrap tutorials. Thanks for watching.